first thing that I need to do is write a system of equations representing this problem. Include let statements. Well, I know what my let statements are because of the last question in the problem. How many of each type of gift can he buy? Well, the types of gifts are t-shirts and sweatshirts. So I'm going to let T equal number of t-shirts bought, because that's what they want me to find. And they also want me to find the number of sweatshirts bought. Okay, so now I have to attack the equation part, right? So I'm going to look at the types of information that they give me. They gave me a total of 18 members. So that means he has to buy 18 gifts. And they also told me what the t-shirts and the sweatshirts will cost. So those are my two types of information. Okay, so I know that the total number of sweatshirts and t-shirts is going to equal 18 from my yellow information. And I know that the t-shirts are $9, so $9 t-shirts plus $15 sweatshirts gave me a total of $180 from my green information. Okay, so from our work in class, you guys should have noticed that we usually have an equation about relationships or quantity, and we usually have a relationship about money or cost, and we always have two equations. So I want you guys to think about that when you're looking at new types of word problems. So the second part is to actually solve the system of equations and figure out how many of each type of gift Kenny should buy. So I'm looking at my systems of equations, and both of the variables are on the same side. So I'm thinking that I would probably want to use elimination. So I'm going to multiply the top equation to get an opposite coefficient. So if I wanted to do that, I would multiply this by -9. So then my t value would be opposite. So one would be +9 and one would be -9. So I'm going to write my new equation below so that I can see what I got. So it would be -9s minus 9t equals 18 times -9, which is -162. Now I'm going to combine those two equations into one equation with one variable. So 9t plus 15s minus 9s minus 9t equals 180 minus 162. So the t's are going to cancel. 15s minus 9s is 6s. And 180 minus 162 is 18. And I'm going to divide by 6. So I found out that I actually have 3 sweatshirts that I can buy. And then I want to plug that back into one of my original equations. And I would probably want to choose the simple one, s plus t equals 18. Well, s is 3. So 3 plus t equals 18, which would mean that I would have to buy, take away 3 from both sides, 15 t-shirts. And again, to check your answer, you can plug 3 in for s and 15 in for t to both of my original equations, and they will make them true.